And we're back the next day. So I've marked and center punched where these are going to go. Now we're drilling. Wish I had a bigger one of these, but I don't. I've been looking for one, a good second-hand one, a big one, but they're quite expensive, and new they're about what I want is about $1,000 new. Yeah, if this works. Either from the rubbish dump or swap meat, I forget, garage sale is where I got this. Slow and steady wins the race. Wow. So it must be nearly there. Now, the reason I like using this, and I could have used the hand drill, but at least I know the hole is square. Using one of these, it's square. It may be good enough. I've ordered, can you see me there? So look. Yeah, you can see me there. I've ordered a cheap compound table. I think it's got other names as well, but it's got a X and a Y and a Z X's. So this may be good enough. I may not need to buy another drill. This is the first time I've used it. I've had it for years. I just need a tiny router bit so that I can copy these grooves here. I've just got to measure that and get the right router piece, and it should be good. Anyway, you don't need to see me drill every hole. Okay, so I've drilled these holes, the bolt down holes in the plates. Next I've got to of course make sure it's on the correct side. Make these marks onto here. Now I thought the easiest way to do is to cut these holes out and just trace it, and then when it comes to getting them perfect, use a die to get them perfectly neat afterwards. So once I've done one side, then I need to turn it over and mark out, oh, I'm sorry, once I've done one side, then I need to turn it over and mark out the forward holes on the other side, right, where they roughly where they end up. And then I've got to make the two holes meet with as little interference as possible. That will be the difficult bit, because they're not quite the same offset, like a little bit off center, right? And so I'm going to have to find the happiest medium, whichever way is closest, and then get the angles right. I want to, these are quite a bit bigger from looks of it. They're a bit bigger than these squares, so I could possibly taper it like a velocity stick. So when as it goes down, it goes towards, from a wider to a thinner. That would actually be ideal. So, I mean, I could measure the holes, I guess, because I've already got some of the measurements here. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So, and then when I still cut these out, and then when I lay it over the top, so I can double check and double check. I don't want to do all this work and make one mistake and stuff it up, and then I have to get it welded, and no. So measure 3 times, cut once, guys. So it's getting a bit late in the day now. I've been in and out of this workshop today, just doing bits at a time, just taking it easy. I don't want to end up back in hospital between now and the 22nd, where I have another neck procedure. So yeah, just taking it easy bit by bit. I just want to show you what I'm doing, so you can see how much is involved in making these, and you may decide to try it yourself. If you do, let me know. It'd be great to know if someone else is also trying what I'm doing. So then maybe we can, but don't you dare do it better than me. Not allowed to do a better job than me, okay? Not allowed to do that. That's not right. Anyway, I'll keep going with this, and if I do anything significant today, I'll let you know. Well, I think I've got it all sorted. They're all marked, drilled, sorted. So next, let's cut these off. You can see the difference in quality. This is really dense aluminium. This is really light, soft aluminium. This is they only had the high quality offcuts. They didn't have the softer ones, so, but that's okay. It'll still weld together. So tomorrow's job is to cut the manifold off the plates. Whoa, won't that be fun? Hey? Fun, fun, fun every day.